Sauna therapy is exploding in popularity, but can sweating actually boost your heart health and lifespan? New science says yes, and you need to know why now. Research highlights sauna therapy's ability to aid detoxification by increasing sweat production. While sweating helps remove certain toxins from the body, it is important to understand this process does not replace essential liver and kidney detox functions. Sauna therapy supports these organs by helping the body flush out impurities through the skin, potentially improving overall detox efficiency when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Sauna therapy is gaining attention for its cardiovascular benefits. Regular sessions help improve blood circulation and may enhance heart health by reducing blood pressure and improving arterial function. These effects support cardiovascular longevity, making sauna therapy a promising tool for heart disease prevention alongside traditional medical care. Beyond heart health, sauna use boosts blood flow throughout the body. This enhanced circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients more efficiently to muscles and organs, potentially speeding recovery after exercise and improving energy levels. This makes sauna therapy attractive for athletes and those seeking to maintain physical vitality as they age. Experts caution that while sauna therapy aids detoxification, it should not be seen as a replacement for liver and kidney functions. These organs play critical roles in filtering toxins and waste. Sauna use supports overall health, but must be combined with proper hydration, nutrition, and medical care for effective detox and longevity. This year, sauna therapy is under a spotlight as more scientific research confirms its benefits. Its rising popularity reflects growing public interest in accessible, natural health practices. As studies advance, we expect clearer guidelines on how sauna use can best support heart health, detox, and longevity. If you want to support your heart health and boost your body's detox naturally, sauna therapy is worth considering. Remember, it complements but does not replace your body's vital organs. Stay informed, stay healthy, and hit subscribe for the latest on trending wellness breakthroughs.